Competitive strength of companies' products and technologies belonged among surely the most often used expressions of exhibitors and visitors at the Spring Machine Industries trade shows at the Letnany exhibition grounds. Professionals from the fields of engineering, waste management and logistics gathered here from March the 30th to April the 1st, 2010 to present their current company offerings, compare product quality, design and characteristics. As the Deputy of the Minister of Industry and Trade of the Czech Republic emphasized during the gala opening of the trade show, innovation, logistics and utilization of secondary raw materials are among the current priorities that should help businessmen overcome the consequences of the economic recession. We are a very small economy. The Czech market is small, that's simply an objective fact, and we are significantly dependent on exports and development in the surrounding countries to which we export. And that is why support of exports is another major priority of the Ministry of Industry and Trade. The third priority is the support of sophisticated technologies. The Ministry of Industry and Trade has research and development programs, such as, for example, the TIP program, in which it is possible to receive significant support for programs that bring innovation to Czech industry, up to 50% of the value of the project, and of course the support of structural funds within the framework of the Business and Innovation Programme. Important personalities, current issues, useful information, innovative programs and practical demonstrations. These could all be said to characterize the trio of the mutually connected trade shows for the year 2010. The Czech entrepreneurial spirit here is clearly demonstrated here in the presentations of individual companies. There is a rich program of accompanying events. Professor Moss gave a lecture in the field of logistics. There will be a discussion moderated by Mirek Zámečník, the economist, that will be attended by representatives of Czech Invest, the League of Industry and other agencies, as well as individual economists. I think that this is a rogue holiday for the people who are serious about business and value creation. One of the ways of reconnecting with your customers is, above all, product innovation and the use of new technologies. These criteria, among other things, were considered by the professional jury under the leadership of Dr. Ivo Kvasnička in giving out the Grand Prix Awards to the best products at the trade show. First prize was awarded to CNC Invest for their exhibited multifunction machining centre, the Okuma Multus B200C 750. It is a highly productive machining centre with compensation for temperature deformation, ensuring part precision. This is a new item for the Czech market in this size. We already have several machines in this category, but in larger versions. I assume they appreciated certain patents which differentiate this machine, especially the thermo-friendly concept, which is temperature compensation in all axes and in all environments, ensuring that this machine has a tolerance range of up to 10 microns at most. The other thing is that it is equipped with a top-of-the-line anti-collision system that is also a patent of the Okuma company and which fulfills everything you would expect from this type of anti-collision system. This exhibit also won this year's prize for technology, awarded by the Czech Association of Machining Technology. The second prize for technology was awarded to the Doosan Puma MX2100 ST machining center by the company Technotrade Obráběcí stroje. This technology is intended for small series, maybe even piece manufacturing of extremely precise and complicated parts, intended for all types of industry, particularly with regard to these needs. Another company that can boast a Grand Prix prize at the For Industry 2010 was Pilsen Department of Machining Technology. This award was also given for cutting ceramic milling with VBD for HSC milling of extremely hard and solid materials. The structure of the mill consists of a new solution of the geometry of the socket and fixing element and ensures utilization in the field of high-speed and hard milling. Innovation is currently in very high demand, not only in classic industrial businesses, but also at universities, thanks to the opportunities of subsidies, both from the European Union and the Czech Republic, in comparison with the world, and that is a tremendous benefit for college education in the Czech Republic, as well as for industry experience, because currently very rare and good contacts with the industrial sphere are being renewed, and there is a trend afoot of the necessity of cooperation with colleges and universities, with industrial companies, and conversely, of industrial companies with universities. The Grand Prix of the trade show 4Waste 2010 went to representatives of the company Reflex Zlín for their fiberglass container for biological waste. This product brings a new structural solution of a fiberglass container with bottom emptying for collection of biodegradable waste. As the representative of the Reflex company, Oldřich Jurčík, said, it is above all important to separate biodegradable waste in the future, which is exactly what their product enables. It is very gratifying for me that a number of important customers, not only from the Czech Republic, but even, for example, from Slovakia, reacted to this product. Thank you once again. I appreciate this award tremendously. Another company that received the Grand Prix award was Replast Produkt, that received this award for cable bridges in insert or cap varieties. This original building block system is intended for preservation of current engineering networks and is made from their own processing of recycled insulation of waste cables. The raw material is derived from recycling from electrical cables that we grind up, separate out the copper, aluminium and waste, meaning dust, and the remaining PVC is melted and either injected or pressed into our products. This year we received an award for a cable protector that is used for construction roads, where both personal cars and heavy vehicles drive over electrical cables and over water hoses that they would otherwise damage. We came up with a cable protector to protect hoses and electrical cables on construction sites. We have two types of these bridges. One is for construction sites and others for concert halls, exhibitions and for equipment halls in manufacturing facilities. The evaluating jury also awarded the Grand Prix to two exhibits at the 4Logistic trade show. The Logtech company received the award for the flexible conveyor, enabling easy and fast assembly of a transport track as needed by the user. Another exhibit that won the Grand Prix at the trade show was the RFID system for management and control of full pallet handling and location identification in a block warehouse by the company ICZ. This is a comprehensive solution to the management of warehousing and handling operations of their own conception with a focus on optimization of time, use of handling resources and minimization of the human error factor. This solution specifically is intended primarily for customers that store on the floor, for example breweries or the beverage industry in general, where there is large movement of goods and shelving is usually not used. That is why this solution was first applied in the brewery business in the Czech Republic at the Budějovický Budvar company. The spring machine industry trade shows, 4Industry, 4Waste and 4Logistic, traditionally present an opportunity to interconnect the closely related fields of machine manufacturing, waste management and logistics. Together with a rich accompanying program, they again offered business people and the general public to familiarize themselves with the new developments and the latest trends in these fields. They also facilitate increasing competitive strength of Czech companies on the European market by utilizing the information they provide. I would say that the crisis, be it economic or financial or whatever characteristic we give it, certainly means presetting relationships. And if I may be permitted to interpret the opinions of businessmen, that which used to be taboo, such as becoming a supplier for some German or multinational corporation, well, these barriers have been broken by this crisis. Even the big customers already understand the terms price and quality and no longer adhere to traditionalism. They are able to evaluate offers coming from Czech manufacturers in a much more objective light, and as a result of this, more opportunities to the road abroad are opening up for Czech machine industries. With regard to this in particular, that the petrified barriers have fallen away, it no longer holds that a German buys from a German, and I think that this is a positive result of the crisis. This barrier has fallen, and Europe has joined into one big marketplace that could be more advantageous for us Czechs.